All right, let's do a quick little demo of bettingtrends.io. Okay, so the point of this tool, basically help you quickly find the best bets to make. It's that straightforward. So what we're gonna do is show some of the different scenarios, point total, money line, spread, home favorite against the spread, like everything we got. You can quickly toggle back and forth in a matchup. You can go from point total, money line, spread. You can see all the previous matchups. The whole point of the color code and the length of the chart, the height of the graph, is to be able to quickly identify where the best trends are. So in previous matchups, if you look on the far right above my head, hopefully I'm not covering too many things, you're gonna see that the final score is in green for the last game with the Packers. That just means they won. The spread is in red, which means that they didn't cover. And the over-under is in green, which means that the total of their last game went over. It's that simple. Quickly see, did they cover? Did the total hit the over, the under? Did they win the game? So on the right-hand side, boom. Left-hand side, you're gonna see that the different lengths of the bars indicate how strong a trend is. So if you go to like say point total in the last 5 games, if it's green, they've hit a lot of overs. If it's red, they've hit a lot of unders. Yellow, they've been just in the middle. So the long green ones, if you scroll down, you see Detroit, really long green. If you click on them, because they've only hit the overs in the last 5 games. Inversely, if you see San Francisco, really small, really red, click on it. They haven't hit an over in 1 out of the last 5 games. So how can we use this tool to be the most profitable sports bettor? So if you go to the top, let's scroll to the game that happened on Thursday. We already know that the Colts won by 3 points and that the total score was 12-9. So if you look at the chart, right, let's see some things. So the point total for the Broncos in the last 5 games, let's change the last 10 games, right? The Broncos have only hit 4 of the last 10. They've only hit 1 out of the last 4. If you go over to Indianapolis though, they've hit 0 of the last 9 point totals. So this chart pretty much shows you like, hey, there's a strong likelihood that this game goes under, which is exactly what happened. But if you also go to like, okay, let's go to the Colts, right? Because they were on the road and they were underdogs against the spread. So if you click on them as away underdogs against the spread, they've hit 7 of the last 10. If you go to last 5, they were 5-0 as on the road underdogs against the spread. So those are 2 strong trends. You're going to see that, for away underdogs against the spread, they're only green. And that's what they were. They covered that and the under hit. So 2 of the strongest trends that we found on this tool went 2-0. So what we're looking at for other stuff this week, just to give an example, these are not bets. Do not just take these bets. But something I'll do is either go back to last 10, last 5. You see Green Bay and New York. For point total, they both have short red bars, which means that neither of them been hitting a lot of totals. You see only 1 of the last 5 for Green Bay. If you go to the Giants, only 1 of the last 5 as well. Same thing with this Rams versus Dallas game. Only 1 of the last 5 for the Rams. Dallas only 1 of the last 5 as well. So those are 2 bets you could possibly take the under on. Again, these are not telling you to make the bets, but it's just quickly before you do other research, you find what are strong trends to then start doing deeper research. Again, go to bettingtrends.io. First link in the description down below. We're live. Get the best bets possible. Find the most strong trends for your sports betting needs. Let's fucking go.